Hello, I'm Lucy,
I'm Natalie.
and this year for the science fair we are doing
Instant Ice.
and this demonstration is educational and teaches a lot about the reaction.
And it is a very fun project to do.
So before beginning this demonstration, you will need to gather all the materials needed to do it.
So first, you will need, I would say around 6 bottles of purified water, and the water should be 16.9 fluid ounces, and it would tell you that on the package when you go to buy water.
The next thing you need is a big bowl, or you can use a wine cooler of your choice.
It depends, because you could do multiple bottles or one bottle.
So then you must fill the bowl almost entirely with ice, and so you'll need ice cubes as another material.
And then you are going to need some salt. Any salt would work, so you could use rock salt or sidewalk salt, but we are using table salt.
And the salt is just used to lower the temperature.
Yeah.
And then a thermometer you'll need, so you can place it
Thermometer.
inside of your bowl to monitor the temperature. So now we'll get to the steps.
Procedure.
Yes.
Now that you've put the ice in the bowl, we are going to place the water bottles in the bowl with the ice.
Now that we have the bottles in the bowl, we're going to be adding a pretty generous amount of table salt over the ice, and this will help lower the temperature inside the bowl so that the bottles can super cool.
Now we're going to be placing a thermometer into the ice so we can monitor the temperature.
So now we have our bottles and the thermometer in between our bottles into the bowl. Now over the next half hour, the temperature of the thermometer will slowly decrease, and over time, we are going to be adding a little bit more salt and ice. Once it gets to 17 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to wait and let the water sit at that exact temperature for 10 minutes before taking it out.
After about an hour, our thermometer reached 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have let the bottle sit for 10 minutes once it reached that temperature, and now we will be trying out the instant ice demonstration. Beforehand, we just want to let all of you know that we did follow the procedures step by step, and it did not work as planned.
So we took many attempts with this experiment over the course of about 3 days, and none of them were fully successful, but we are going to show those attempts anyway and hope to explain what we could have done better. So all in all, the demonstration did not work out exactly as we would have hoped, but we did follow the procedure just like we read it, and we could have super cooled the bottles. They possibly were as cold as they needed to be, but our freezing just didn't work out the way we wanted it to. Maybe we could have measured the temperature of the water at the bottom of the bowl. There's some little things that we could have improved on, but at the end of the day, it just seems like it didn't freeze the way we wanted it to.
In the next clip, you can see that after we've taken the bowls out of the ice, we are attempting to form the ice sculptures.
So after we started to pour the super cooled water onto the bowl of ice cubes, it did start forming a mini sculpture that did rise up.